Welcome back. In this video, we will cover how to edit and include new product variations on a listing. So let's hop over into our test store and I'll select my wireless mouse over here, and we will specifically focus on today these variants over here. So right now I've got two colors selected, but of course I can add additional colors, as many as I wish. I can add a variant. Can add another option over here. So I've got a few option variations that are related to my product category. So for example, power source. I can also add in mouse technology, and you'll notice Shopify nudges me with the correct options over here, but of course I can add additional options if I wish to, like so. Now notice that as I've added these variations, these additional variations, the number of SKUs has increased from originally 2 to now 9. And so potentially what you might want to do is include SKUs for all of these variations over here, all of these various SKUs. It's 9 per color. So there's 5 colors, so 9 times 5 would be 45 SKUs in this particular example. Don't forget to save. Okay, and let's go and refresh our listing, and we should have a couple of more options over here, which were just set up in this video today.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.